If you've been posting on TikTok for a while and you're still not making money, I need you to hear this. It's not your fault. Most people were taught the wrong game. You're told to chase views and build followers and grow your audience and that the money will eventually come. But unless you have a real plan to turn your attention into sales, you could be getting views for months and still make $0. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the fastest way to make money on TikTok by monetizing your expertise. No TikTok shop, no waiting till you have 10,000 followers, no praying for virality. Just a simple step-by-step plan that works even when your views are low and you don't have a lot of followers. Here's the truth. TikTok does not pay the bills. Your business model pays the bills. TikTok just sends the people. And if you build the right offer, you can make real money even if you have a small audience because you're getting paid per sale, not per view. I've had clients do crazy numbers with this system, like my client Jared, who made $75,000 in his first month on TikTok. Not because he had some massive following, he was actually starting from scratch. But he had the right offer and we built a system that turned his viewers into buyers. So I'm going to walk you through the exact path, and by the end of the video, you'll know what to sell, how to sell it from the link in your bio, and the type of content that you need to be posting to get people to actually click and buy. If you want to make money on TikTok, you technically have lots of options. The Creator Rewards program, sponsorships, selling affiliate products. But here's the problem. Most of those require you to already have consistently high views, a big audience, and the time to post multiple times per day. If your goal is to use TikTok to replace your income, then you need a smarter path than that. A path where you can make money even when your views are low, and you can just make more money when you have a video that pops. And the way you do that is simple. You want to get paid more per sale. That's why the best monetization strategy for most people is a high ticket service or coaching program to start, and then a digital product or program to scale. That's the game. So let me give you the 3-step path. Before you post another video, decide what you're going to sell, because this one decision controls your hooks, your topics, who TikTok shows your content to, who slides into your DMs, and if your posts actually turn your views into dollars. Your offer needs to create a transformation for your viewers to get people from point A to point B. It should be something like, I help insert the blank or fill in the blank, go from blank to blank. I said blank a lot of times there. To give you a real example, it's I help dads go from dad bod to sexy with their shirt off. And no, you don't need to be the world's top expert to do this. You just need to be a few steps further along in the journey than your viewer and be honest about what worked for you. This is literally how every single business I built was started. In law school, I went to the heaviest I'd been in my life to having a six-pack with absolutely no time for anything but living in the library studying. That became a coaching program for busy people who wanted to lose weight but didn't have a lot of time to live in the gym. As that business grew, the real fitness coaches started asking me how I was getting all of these clients with social media and paid advertising. So I taught them the exact system I used and eventually started running ads for them. And that's how my agency was born. Now I teach online coaches and new creators how to build a business where you can get sales from your content, posting just one video per day inside of my Growth Academy. Every business I've ever had ran the same play. I solve a problem for myself, and then I help other people solve that problem. You can do the same thing by packaging the steps to getting a result. That way, the people who are a few steps behind you can achieve the same transformation you did, but faster. Now, if you're starting from scratch, the simplest offer is one-to-one coaching or done with you on Zoom. You don't need a course. You don't need a fancy funnel. You just need a clear offer, a price, and a way for people to raise their hand and say they're interested. Then after you've helped a handful of people to get results and learn more about their problems and the obstacles that they're dealing with, you can productize it and turn it into a program. Now you've got an offer. But the next question is the one that most people skip. How do I actually sell this on TikTok? Here's where most creators fail. They post content, they get a little traction, start getting some views, some followers, but they have nowhere to send people. Or they send them to this messy link situation that just doesn't convert. So before we even talk about what to post, you need a simple system for your bio that does 3 things. You need to be able to capture leads, you need to be able to follow up with them automatically because we're trying to do this the smart way, and you need to be able to start real conversations with serious buyers. And I'm going to share with you the exact system that my clients use. So we're here on my computer inside of Go High Level, which is what we use to collect leads right from your TikTok profile. And the system that we use that we call our content to client system really boils down to 3 things that you need to do. The first one is that you need to offer some sort of valuable freebie in order to get those leads, in order to get their name, email, phone number. That way you can contact them and you can send them marketing materials and more content and nurture them until they become a buyer. And one of the best ways to do that, especially on a video platform like TikTok, is to offer them a longer video training that helps them to solve their problem and get that that transformation. And so we're going to use something like this, like a workshop funnel, where we are going to create a longer form video that they can watch that helps them take those next steps, and more importantly, gives them more face time with you, where you can tell stories and you can share your system and you can talk about the problems that they're experiencing and how you've been in their shoes and what it takes to get where they want to go, and share your methodology, the way that you help people get from point A to point B and achieve that transformation. Now, I'm in the editor, but if we look at this a little more closely, you can see what it's going to look like when they actually click on that link in your bio. And obviously, you would have a video here or a picture. This is the page where you're collecting their information. And so you're going to tell them what it's about, what it is that they're going to get, and they're going to click that button and they're going to enter their information. And after they do, it's going to add it into your system. That way you can have a conversation with them and you can get them into your program, and then it's going to take them to that video training and they can watch it. Now, I mentioned that you're going to have a conversation. Sales is just conversation. You're going to talk to people and you're going to find out more about them. You're going to dig into their struggles and their desires and what it is that they need help with. And then you're either going to sell them into your online program or you're going to get them onto a call. And rather than spending all day following up with these people, we're going to leverage automations to do it. We're going to use this system to send automated text messages to every single person that signs up for your freebie. We're going to send a message that actually delivers the video to them so they can watch it right there on their phone. And then we're going to send other messages that are going to follow up, and they're going to find out what it is that they're dealing with and why they signed up and what kind of help that they need. And all of this is going to sound completely natural, like a real person is sending it, and it's going to go for a week until they're ready to respond and they're ready to talk to you. When that happens, the system's going to notify you. That way you can jump in and you only have to talk to the people that are ready to talk and learn about your program. Then you can sell it to them over text, or you can move them onto a call where you can answer their questions and reassure them that you can actually help them. A system like this makes it so that when people discover you and they want your help with the transformation, they can raise your hand and show that they're interested by signing up for your freebie. Then the automations will separate the people that are just window shoppers. That way you only have to spend time talking to the serious customers that are interested in your online program. Now, I told you that I was going to make this easy for you, and here's how. You don't actually have to learn how to do all of this by yourself. I've already built the entire thing for you, and you can get it for free using the link in the description. You'll get access to my free course, and you'll be able to try high level free for 30 days just so you can test it without committing to anything. Plus, you'll get a bunch of bonuses that I designed to help you launch faster and start getting clients from your content ASAP. The first is called 5-Minute Funnels for Coaches. This is a mini training that shows you how to upload my exact funnel and all of my systems and automations with one button click. And then you'll learn how to customize and launch that funnel without living in tech hell. You're also going to get my Fast Start Checklist, which is a visual step-by-step guide that walks you through how to set up all of my client conversion systems inside of your high-level account. Finally, you're going to get my 5-day TikTok growth mini course. This shows you exactly how to set up your account, how to do content research, and how to start creating the type of content that's going to attract clients to you from day one. Once you've installed this system, you can move on to step 3, which is all about how to start creating content that attracts buyers. Now that you've got a clear offer and a system for your bio, here's what to do next. Start posting 1 video per day using these 4 styles that I'm about to share with you. The first type are the problem solver videos. These are the ones that attract people that already know they need your help. Let me give you some examples. If you're already doing X and it's not working, here's why. Or you could try 3 mistakes that keep you stuck at whatever situation that they're in and are wanting to change. Another would be, do this if you want insert result faster. Next, we have the objection crusher videos. These are the ones that convert the people that are interested, but they're a little bit scared. Examples include, you don't need blank to get results, you need this instead. Or if you don't think you have time to do whatever thing it is that they desire, watch this video. Another popular one is, here's what I would do if I was starting over. If you go to last week's YouTube video, you'll see this is exactly what I did. I was showing you how to grow on TikTok if you're starting from scratch in 2026. The third type of content are the belief shifting videos, the ones that create buyers out of lurkers. The difference between this and the objection crushers is that the objection crushers are like eliminating whatever obstacle is preventing them from taking action. Belief shifting videos are more about creating like an aha moment and making them believe a certain way and getting rid of their old beliefs. For example, you might say something like, the reason you're not getting results isn't blank, it's because of this thing. So like if I told somebody the reason they're not getting views isn't because they're using the wrong hashtags, it's because they are not using researched content ideas. We want to blow up whatever that previous thought is that's wrong and get them to think what you believe and what you teach, kind of like indoctrinate them into your system. Another example is you've been told to do blank and that's why you're stuck. Like my favorite one of these for TikTok is you've been told that you need to engage from the bottom up and that's why you're stuck. Because engaging from the bottom up only helps that person that told you to engage from the bottom up on their video. It doesn't actually get you views. Here's one more example that's actually based on a TikTok video I did today. I made a video that was like, this is the only metric that matters on TikTok. Everybody is so worried about analytics, and so I wanted them to focus on this other thing instead. The final type of content I want you to make are reply videos. This is a great way to show your expertise and help your audience out. One of the best ways to grow on TikTok is just to answer simple questions, to help people get from where they are to where they want to be, that point A to point B. So anytime somebody asks you something in the comments and you think you can make a video about it, hit reply to that comment, click that record button, and turn it into a video. This is going to turn that particular viewer into an instant fan that watches all of your videos. But the reality is, if that person's asking the question, there's probably 10 more people that are already in your audience, if not more, that have the exact same question. And when people see these reply comment videos, they usually get pretty good views because there's this huge curiosity element that makes them want to click on it and find out what you said. Now, there's one mistake that I want you to avoid when you start creating your videos. Make sure that you're not guessing. I don't want you to waste time on random video ideas. The fastest way to grow and monetize on TikTok is to use proven ideas that are already working inside of your niche. Let me show you how to do this content research. First, I just want you to go on TikTok and search for keywords related to the problem that you're trying to solve with your content. As you do this, try to find other creators that are already creating content solving the same problem for the same types of people that you're going to be creating content for. Follow them and start watching their videos. Anytime that you see a great idea or a great hook that really catches your attention, I want you to save this into a TikTok collection. I personally like to use two different collections. I have one in all caps called Ideas, and this is for me to save those viral ideas, the things that have already worked for other people. And this is an important side note. You don't want to just save any content. When you're doing this research, you want to pay attention to the videos that are outliers for other creators. What are the videos that got way more views than they normally got? When you see that, you want to go ahead and save those ideas. The second collection I do is just all caps hooks. And what I'm really doing here is if I see a great hook for a video or a great text hook, that's becoming even more important these days, I want to save those. Because when you're making your video, having a good hook at the start, having a good text headline that's going to grab people's attention and get them to stop scrolling, that's going to be really important and make up like 80% of your views after you figure out a good proven idea. So you want to start collecting a library of these. That way you can either use them, or when you have a great idea and maybe that video that you're modeling didn't have, a great headline or something, you can go look at this library and then, come up with an idea, modify one of them. As you're doing this, you're watching these videos, you're saving these videos. The other thing that you're doing is you're training the algorithm and making it convert your FYP into like the ultimate content research tool. Because every time somebody hops on TikTok, TikTok is trying to serve them the best videos from right now around whatever topics they're interested in. And so if you're consuming only content from people that are in your space and you're saying not interested to anything else on your FYP, you are going to start getting fed all of the best, most viral videos in your niche, which makes it way easier to save things into your collections and have ideas for your upcoming content. When you start using this simple system, you're not guessing anymore. Now you're modeling these proven ideas and you're just teaching what it is that you share with your audience and tailoring it to your offer. Now here's the best part. Once you have your offer and your system and your daily buyer content, now you can stack monetization strategies to make your content even more profitable. This is where most people get it backwards. They're trying to start by growing their content and getting some ad revenue from the Creator Rewards program or by promoting an affiliate product, doing TikTok Shop. But those are just bonuses. They aren't the most effective way to make money and replace your income. Instead, you want to layer those on top of this foundation that you're building. Here's the monetization stack in the correct order. Your primary monetization tool is your offer, your online coaching, your digital product. Secondary ways to make income are promoting affiliate products that also serve your ideal audience. These are the tools that you use to help get the result. And sponsorships, they're just a really nice bonus that comes when you're attracting an ideal audience and people start to recognize that you have authority in your space. And honestly, I totally forgot about creator payouts. This is kind of like an optional one with the Creator Rewards program if you have enough views to qualify, but it doesn't pay you that much money. I mean, it's not even as good as the YouTube creator program, and that doesn't pay you. Like, that's not paying the bills. But when you focus on that primary offer and then you stack things in this way, your monetization strategy isn't fragile. It doesn't vary as much from month to month. You're not as dependent on the views and going viral because it's just the constant hit after hit after hit with all of your videos giving value and helping people that leads them down the funnel through your bio to your link and into your offer. This is how you build a real business on TikTok. So let's recap the path. Step 1, pick a real transformational offer. Step 2, install an automated system that turns your viewers into leads and conversations. Step 3, post one buyer intent video per day using proven ideas to fuel the rest of the system. That's how you make money on TikTok, by monetizing your expertise. And if you want to shortcut the hardest part, which is building out the system, I've already done it for you. Grab my free course and get a 30-day free trial of High Level, and then you can upload everything into it with one button click. The funnel, all the automations, everything done for you. Then you just feed that system with views. More views means more clicks. More clicks means more conversations, and more conversations mean more sales. If you got questions, let me know in the comments.